we're to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1973 model year, two-door hardtop, XR7. Underneath the hood, 351 Cleveland. Power steering, power brakes, factory AC car. AC components are not all installed on the car, FYI. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. There's a picture of the buck tag in with the still pictures. Be able to see the XR code on there. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, you can see the engine bay, underside of this car, trunk, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This will be a 4B paint code. Should have been bright green gold metallic. So a similar color yet has underwent a repaint along the way. Green interior. FYI, the vinyl on the seats. I took the seat covers off so you can see it has been taped up. The vinyl has cracked. It appears it could be the original interior. And there are some black seat covers that go with it. Consigner has chosen to sell it the way it is. Of course, the black vinyl partial roof. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There are some AC components that will go with this also, as far as the compressors, brackets, AC lines, seat cover, steering wheel cover. I'll put those back in the trunk, but I wanted to show you the interior so you can see it without the seat covers on. And once again, you'll be able to see that in the still pictures too, probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Riding on the classic aluminum slots, Firehawk white lettered radials. And you can see the paint shows well in this car. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Black highlights in the lower rockers. All right, let's snoop this interior over just a little bit, and we'll check out the engine bay, start it up, let you hear it run. Did play around, does have an aftermarket radio that is working in it. Wipers also work, blower fan and everything works. It's just that not all the components are there for the AC. Rear seats show well, just the front ones showing their age some. Headliner, also good shape. Do have a couple cracks in the dash, as you noticed there earlier, going around from the passenger side. All right, let's fire this one up. It appears the gauge is working. Gas gauge creeping up there, if you can see that. Tachometer. If I can get the glare off there a little bit, if you can see that needle. Kind of tough to see, but the tach is working. A little glare from the lights. Odometer reads 29,699. FYI, cannot confirm or deny miles on this one due to the age. Miles do not stay in the title. There's the aftermarket stereo. And that does power up, does work. Click it to an FM station here. And it is a removable one, that's why it's got the little chain for pulling it out. Carrying it, hanging on to it if you will. Of course, automatic, down on the floor. Nice sounding car. Slip around to the rear of this, you can hear it. Again, 351 Cleveland. Power steering, power brakes, factory AC car. Automatic transmission. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there we go. Quick pops and check out that engine bay. Smooth running V8 again, power steering, power brakes. cruise-ins, roll-ins. 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.